All right, kids, welcome back. We got a little bit of a unique project today. The other night we went out to dinner, came home, and the house smelled like sulfur. So that was an indication that there was something wrong with the coal burner. There was high winds that night, and after doing some investigating and shutting down the coal burner, I found out that the plug on my clean out of the T blew off, and here it is down here. So what was happening was the burner wasn't getting the proper draw, and it started to come back into the house. So you can see this is kind of beat up, and also this cap, it's beat up also. Unfortunately, I'm having a problem finding a new one of these. So what we're going to do in the meantime is we're just going to put some self-tapper screws in here, attach it so we can get that burner going again. All right, we're back in the shop here. Let's check this over. As you can see how it's starting to come apart here. We have a hole here, and you see this thing's pretty beat up. This thing's probably 20 years old, roughly. This was when I installed that stack, and the reason it got so beat up is because I would have to yank on this with pliers to unscrew it off of that T to drop it down to clean the stack. So I guess this was inevitable. And like I said, for some reason I can't find this plug, cap, whatever you want to call it. So for now, we're just going to fix it. Like I said, we're going to find some decent metal here, put some self-tappers in, which finding some decent metal is going to be a challenge, and then that should hold us over for the rest of the winter until I can get it fixed. Who didn't see that coming?